you've ever struggled to stay consistent with self-care, let me tell you, you are not alone. We all know that self-care is important, but let's be real. It's easy to forget when life gets busy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you practical tips on how to make self-care a habit and how to stay consistent with it no matter how hectic life gets. So let's discuss. Why is self-care so hard to stick to? A lot of us either feel guilty, think it has to be expensive, or just don't have the time for it. But self-care isn't just bubble baths or spa days. It's about taking care of yourself daily in ways that truly nourish you. The best way to stay consistent is to make self-care a part of your routine. Add it to your schedule like an important appointment. You can use your calendar, you can use your reminder app, or any app that helps you with to-do lists or keeping track of your routine, or you can write it down if you're a fan of writing down your to-do list. It doesn't have to be long. Even 5 to 10 minutes a day makes a difference. Self-care doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small. Maybe drinking enough water, journaling for just 5 minutes, or just sitting down and taking deep breaths. Consistency is all about what you can do daily, not once in a while thing. I'm here to tell you that self-care looks different for everyone. Find out what truly makes you feel good, not just what the social media says. For some, it's skincare. For others, it's journaling, working out, even cooking, or just even sitting down in silence. You don't have to earn self-care. Taking care of yourself is necessary, not selfish. Every time you feel guilty when you want to do self-care, I want you to remind yourself that you can't pour from an empty cup. To be honest, if self-care looks like a chore to you, you won't be consistent with it. You won't stick to it. Make it something that you actually enjoy. You set the vibe. You can light a candle. You play your favorite music, and you can even set like a cozy place just for you. Like this is just your self-care place, your self-care time. You make it enjoyable. Do the things that make you happy, feel good without caring what any other person says. I personally do self-care. My self-care involves skincare, listening to music that I enjoy, dancing, journaling, and reading a good old book. That's just for me. It can be totally different for you. So these are my top 5 tips for staying consistent with self-care. Let me know in the comments what's one self-care habit that you are working on this year. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.